Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. On today's series, we are going to apply your eyeshadow. Just a disclaimer, everything that I mention on this series is my personal experience being in the beauty industry for 14 plus years, and I just want to share with you my personal experience getting from point A to success if you're an upcoming makeup artist or if you just want to learn how to apply your makeup. So today we are going to learn how to apply your eyeshadow, and this is the look I created, but only the eyeshadow. Closer so you can have a better view of how I apply the eyeshadow. So the first step you need to do is apply an eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow primer helps make your eyeshadows last longer, makes your colorful eyeshadow pop as well, and it's a great step that you must do before you apply any natural or bright color eyeshadow. So the primer that I'm using, primers comes in different color, shape, size according to the brand. So use what, once again, you are comfortable and what you can afford. It's okay to start with affordable drugstore makeup. At the end of the day, it's once you start, that's all that matters, and then branch out into the expensive brand. But there are some makeup artists who are comfortable using the affordable makeup and they stick with it because it works with them. Once again, use what you are comfortable with and what you can afford. Nobody here to judge you. At the end of the day, is once you start. Now there are different types of eyeshadow primer, honey. They come in jars, and you can even use a concealer as an eyeshadow primer. You can use any of this concealer eyeshadow primer. Now there are a lot of eyeshadow primer. Once again, is what you're comfortable with, but today I'm just going to use the NYX eyeshadow base, and this one is in skin tone. This is one of my personal favorite from a long time that I love to use. Second to that, I love the Juvia's Place I Prime, and also I love Morphe eyeshadow primer as well, and Anastasia. Once again, use what you're comfortable with, and as you can see, it's like a skin tone concealer, but it's an eyeshadow base. Okay, and then I'm just going to take just a flat brush like this to apply the eyeshadow primer, right? I'm gonna get closer, and I just apply it like this, and then I like to tap it in like so, and after everywhere have primer, I take the blending brush or any blending brush of your choice, and then you press in that primer. So once you have your eyeshadow primer, I like to set my primer, and I'm using the Black Radiant loose setting powder in banana. Once again, whatever setting powder of your choice, it doesn't matter the brand, it's whatever you feel comfortable with. And another thing, some people, they don't use the setting powder after they apply the eyeshadow primer. Normally just go straight into the eyeshadow palette. Once again, this is optional. I'm just showing you what I feel comfortable using. So I'm using my setting powder from Black Radiance to set my primer. You know, this powder is very messy, and I'm taking that same brush and I just going all over that. Okay, next step. So now that you have your primer on, guys, you're gonna get full details of the different primers and the brands, etc. in the next episode. So we're only focusing on how to apply your eyeshadow in the meantime. So now there are different eyeshadow. The market is full of different brand eyeshadow. Once again, use what is affordable and what you feel comfortable using. You can use the drugstore eyeshadow, those are online, at a store, whatever one that you feel comfortable with, you can use it. But whenever you buy an eyeshadow as a makeup artist, two things that you need to focus on. One, you need to know that if it's true to the color, the eyeshadow is true to the color, and if the pigmentation is there. Also, third, also does it blend. The main thing is that it can blend. You don't want to be blending and nothing is coming off. It's the color is just sitting there and it's not moving, it's not blending. Another thing is that true to color, meaning that whenever you apply your eyeshadow, you want to see the eyeshadow that you apply. You don't want to like apply the eyeshadow and you're not seeing the color. You just apply an eyeshadow, apply an eyeshadow, apply an eyeshadow. So you need to make sure that the affordable palette or the expensive palette, it is true to the color and it can blend easily. All right, so you have to look out for this. So today I am going to do just a soft Valentine-ish theme look, and I am going to use reds or naturally penning, but it's going to be a simple glam and less brushes we are going to use. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use is Plain in Makeup by Yolando, and she featured Bits by Deb collab to create this eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. It's a bit pricey. I'm not sure if it's still available. It retailed for $52 for the last time I buy it. I haven't seen on the site. I'm not sure if she's bringing it back in or no more. I'm not too sure, but I absolutely love this palette because the colors are there. The colors, it's all about the colors and the pigmentation is there as well. I do unboxing video and also review video on this palette, so check it out. The link is on top of the time card. But once again, use your palettes, what you are comfortable with. Right, so now I am going to make it so easy for you. I'm only going to use 2 brushes. So first eyeshadow we're going to reach for is a translucent color. Now your translucent color is what you're going to apply in your crease in order for it to blend together with your eyeshadow, right? So it have to be nice, neutral, soft. Some people like the dramatic, but some people love the translucent color that blends easily with the rest of your eyeshadow. And also it's going to be in a crease area. Some people, they put it above the crease area. Now you may be wondering, what is the crease area? The crease area is basically the socket. You see that? This is what you call the crease area. This right here is the lid, and your brow bone is where you apply the highlight area. The inner part of your eye is there, and when somebody wants to apply a winged liner, is going the shape of your eye. That's how they apply the winged eye. So this is just the basic idea or mapping of your eye. Okay, so now we're gonna use a translucent color, and we're gonna do something very light. So I'm just taking that same 1 brush, not more than that. I'm taking this eyeshadow, very neutral, very brown, tapping off the excess. And guys, never blow. No, do not blow your eyeshadow. right? If you're doing for yourself, I still don't recommend that you do it. If you're a makeup artist, this is a big red flag, and check out my red flag video that I posted. Never blow on your brushes or your products, especially in front of a client. This is a big red flag. Anyway, continue in the eyeshadow. That's how you remove the excess eyeshadow, and then you start here and then you pat it, right? And then you blend back and forth, right? This is what you call blending, okay? And in the crease area, but I'm going just above the crease, and this is the crease area right here. And then just going back and forth, and this is your translucent color, right? Now this is what they use to do a soft glam, but I want to go a little bit darker. Now if you want your translucent color to be darker, all you have to do is just keep on applying more eyeshadow, which I'm going to do right now. And I tap and I blend. Right? I'm reaching for that same brush. Now I want my outer area to be darker, which is here. When somebody say outer, is this area right here, and I want it to be darker, so I'm going with a dark brown eyeshadow, getting it. If you can see, I'm trying to watch the mirror and focus. After you finish apply it, you tap in and then you blend. After you do that, you drag the color the same way you apply the first translucent color, like so. Right, then you reach for the second brush. That is the second brush I'm going to use. Now I'm going to apply a glitter eyeshadow on top my lid. And remember, your lid is this area right there, so you're only going to apply eyeshadow on top your lid. You can apply one or two. In this case, I'm only just applying one. So I'm just going to take a gold eyeshadow or any glitter or shimmer eyeshadow of your choice. Tap, never blow, and then apply it. Oh my god, you guys, I'm the worst. Right? Tap again and apply. So that is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful for you. And don't you worry, a full video on how to do a soft glam and a full glam is coming up real soon. But we need to do baby steps from on top, work our way down. I hope this video was very helpful. Don't forget to keep it locked on the next episode of Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly 767.